dealership looting is a rising issue in today's society. A car dealership is a business that sells, leases, and repairs vehicles, typically to the public. Unfortunately, there have been reports of vandalism and looting of these businesses across the country. This has caused both economic and emotional strife for the business owners, their employees, and the local community. In this article, we will explore the causes of car dealership looting, its impact, ways to prevent it, and the consequences of its occurrence. It is our hope that through understanding the issue, we can work together to help ameliorate the situation and protect our communities. Causes of car dealership looting. In recent months, the increase in car dealership looting has been widely seen across the United States. This type of looting is the stealing of merchandise or property from a car dealership. The causes of such looting are numerous and can be attributed to a variety of factors. Economic inequality is one of the main causes of car dealership looting. A disparity in income and wealth can lead to a lack of economic opportunities and a sense of hopelessness that drives individuals to pursue looting as a way of obtaining much-needed resources. Systematic racism and prejudice also play a role in car dealership looting, as individuals feel marginalized and discriminated against. This can lead to a feeling of frustration and rage that can drive them to acts of looting. Finally, the lack of resources can also be a contributing factor, as some individuals may feel they have no other option than to resort to looting in order to obtain goods or services. Impact of car dealership looting. The impact of car dealership looting goes far beyond the physical destruction of property. Communities are left with shattered livelihoods, economic loss, decreased trust, and fear of further violence. Small businesses and their employees, in particular, suffer greatly as their property and resources are looted and destroyed. Local communities are left feeling unsafe and unsure of their future. The destruction of property and resources can also have a lasting economic impact. Insurance costs for car dealerships are likely to increase, which may be passed on to consumers. Additionally, consumer confidence may be lowered in the wake of car dealership looting, as potential buyers may be wary of investing in a dealership that has been affected. Reputational damage is also a significant consequence, as the looting of car dealerships can cause lasting damage to the image of the businesses and community at large. This fear of future retribution can leave people feeling unsafe and threatened. Prevention of car dealership looting. Preventing car dealership looting involves both short-term and long-term solutions. Immediate solutions include community outreach to build trust, increase law enforcement presence in areas prone to looting, legal reforms to ensure equitable access to services, and creating economic opportunities to provide alternative pathways to success. Long-term solutions focus on systemic change. This includes reforming laws to ensure justice for all, investing in communities to address economic inequality and racism, and working with local government to provide resources to communities affected by looting. Media coverage can also help to raise awareness of the issues and draw attention to the need for change. Response to car dealership looting. In the wake of car dealership looting, the public has responded in a variety of ways. In some cases, protests and civil unrest have resulted in the pursuit of justice and reform. On a legislative level, specific laws have been proposed to address issues such as economic inequality and systematic racism that are believed to contribute to looting. Additionally, some local government authorities have taken initiative and created new programs to address the root causes of the problem. Finally, the media has played a major role in raising awareness and encouraging public dialogue on the issue. Consequences of car dealership looting. The consequences of car dealership looting can be far-reaching and long-lasting. As a result of the destruction caused by the looting, insurance costs are likely to increase, consumer confidence in the area can be adversely affected, and the reputational damage to the area can be significant. In addition, the fear of further looting or retribution can create further tensions in the local community. Ultimately, the consequences of car dealership looting can lead to long-term damage to the local economy and community. Conclusion. Car dealership looting is a growing problem occurring in cities around the world. This crime is rooted in economic inequality, systematic racism, lack of resources, and frustrated youth. The consequences of car dealership looting are dire, resulting in destroyed livelihoods, damage to local businesses, loss of community trust, and fear of further violence. In order to prevent and mitigate car dealership looting, steps such as community outreach, legal reforms, increased law enforcement presence, and creating economic opportunities are necessary. In response, people have held protests, enacted legislative action, involved local governments, and sought media coverage. The end result has been an increase in insurance costs, decreased consumer confidence, reputational damage, and fear of future retribution. Through continued efforts to address the underlying causes of car dealership looting, we can work toward a brighter future.